projects in Jackson. The city is now saying the reworking of Capitol Street could be completed as early as January. The project has slowed down in recent weeks, and 16 WAPT's Bert Case went to find out why.
The $9.2 million project is turning Capitol Street back to its original status as a two-way street through its glory years of the 40s, 50s, and 60s. The aim is to encourage more people to come eat and shop downtown. City engineer Robert Lee says the completion day is now in early 2015. We ask him what produced the most recent delay.
And we're well past the halfway mark with construction. A little bit of a slowdown in construction as the contractor cleaned up another project in Rankin County, but they've moved their resources back on site and they're going to work. From Lamar Street to the Capitol, we're only doing a striping job with some work at the West Street intersection. That's currently not funded. We need to do the water work underneath it, and that's currently not funded. We want to get those utilities completed before we go and rebuild the road.
Businesses were originally told in 2012 the project would take about 2 years. The project has been tough on some downtown businesses, but Matthew Caden, chef at the Parlor Market, says his business is now improving.
When they first started the street construction, it hurt our business, but the more progress that has happened with the street, the more that construction has gone along, the better it's helped our business.
But 80-year-old Sam Devitt, who has had a clothing store on Capitol Street at Farish for 40 years, says the work has killed his business.
Over 75% our business dropped.
How are you making it?
I'm not making it at all. I'm borrowing money just to survive.
The people who own businesses along Capitol Street believe the roundabouts are too small. They say buses or trucks have to run over them to get through. They also complain about how narrow the street is. For Case 16 WAPT in downtown Jackson.